We all love to eat burgers. Today we can make burgers at home in an easy way, tasty and healthy, and all the ingredients are easy to get from any market. We need spices, 1 spoon of salt, ½ spoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, ½ tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, ½ cup of breadcrumbs, 1 kilo of beef, sliced for easy mincing. First, we will chop the meat in a food processor. We will add the meat and the rest of the ingredients and chop it well until it becomes very soft. We will prepare a burger press in plastic bags and make burgers as we see. We will finish the whole amount that will make us 10 pieces of burger and put it in the fridge on the sandwich filling in a new way. We will prepare onions, sliced tomatoes, salt, spices, black pepper and paprika and season well, then put them in a medium tray and put them in the oven for 10 minutes. We'll get the burger out and roast it in a hot pan. Let's make the sandwich. Of course we can serve it in more than one way according to desire. Try the recipe and tell me your opinion in the comments.